Journaling?
Maybe. Dear future self, well, 彭敬贤, as always, I hope you are doing very great. In 2022, your favorite coffee is latte. I don't know what you are drinking right now, but iced latte, it's so damn good. I'm not gonna lie. And I hope you are still taking photos and making videos and keep chasing your dream and do some stupid things with your friends, because if it makes you happy, it doesn't have to make sense to anyone. Plus, call your parents every week, please. You are not busy at all, actually. You just love finding excuses. And the first thing I learned in this year was, don't feel bad when you say no to someone. Prioritize your time to the people who value you, because the right people won't make you feel like shit. Your hardest time will show you who your truest friends are, so hold on to them. No person is sent to you by accident.
Welcome to Bali.
Just like a few months ago, I was struggling with friends where I felt that I needed to prove my worth and validation. So, just a little reminder for you, do not settle for less. Oh yeah, look, your face in 2022. Actually, your skin is getting better and better every day. I don't know why. And I know the things are kind of different right now. The people, the friends that you have. But please, dude, don't try to play cool with them. Don't act like you don't care about them. If you want to hang out, if you want to go for a dinner, just call them. If you like them, if you love them, show your love and be kind. And remember, do not care about who is doing better than you, because I know you are doing better than you were last year. I want you to believe me, what you want is what you will get. You need to be honest with yourself about what you want. I want you to stop waiting for others to make the right choices. Do it yourself. Life is not about expecting, hoping, and wishing. It's all about doing, being, and becoming. Taylor Swift once said, part of growing out and moving into new chapters of your life is all about catch and release. What I mean by that is knowing what things to keep and what things to let go. You can't carry old things. Decide what is yours to hold. Let the rest go. Oftentimes, the good things in your life are lighter anyway, so there's more room for them. Getting back up, dusting yourself off, and seeing who still wants to hang out with you afterwards, and laugh about it, and that's the gift. We didn't change though. We evolved.
How do I give advice to this many people about their life choices? I won't. The scary news is, you're on your own now. But the cool news is, you're on your own now.